I am back with another video. Today we are going to solve very tricky, very important question of inverse trigonometric ratio that has come in JEE Advanced 2018 paper. And as you can see, it is written only 3% of the students can solve it. The question is very easy, but the way to approach is very difficult because the IITians, the professors in IITs made it very difficult for the students to have a go at this question. Okay, first of all, what is given? For any positive integer n, domain is given, the range is given as this for all x belonging to 0 to infinite open interval. Which of the following are true? The summation of this equal to 55, the summation of this equals to 10s for any positive integer n, limit x tends to infinity, tan of fn is 1 by n, and for any fixed positive integer n, limit n tends to infinity, similarly the same function sec square, that same function equals 1. Okay, so what you need to do when you will start solving, as it is a JEE advanced question, you will think this is a multiple option multi correct type problem. You will start solving this. Okay, when you will solve this, you will get the answer and you will take it. Obviously you will take it, but it will be wrong. Why it will be wrong? This is the fault that is done by our stars, the IITians. They are in IIT, but they regret about this question because they have made it wrong. Okay, what is the problem here? As you can see here, you are putting inside the function 0, and here also we are putting inside the function 0. But what is given to us? That the fn is defined from 0 to infinite open interval, and for all x open interval. What you are putting here? 0, 0. So for 0, this function is not defined. Okay, and you are putting, and you will also get the answer as 55. This is the trick that the IIT question paper plays with you. It plays with your emotions. Okay, so these two options are straight away wrong. Why? Because 0 is not in the domain. Now we have to deal the next two options. Next two options we have to check this. Okay, for that some prerequisites are required. This is not the formula. First, in intense pressure you will think this is the formula. No formulas as such exist. The real formula is tan inverse A minus tan inverse B equals tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB, and tan inverse of tan any number is equals to that number when that number belonging to minus infinity to infinity. Okay, so let's solve the function, this function, and simplify it. We can write this function as tan inverse f x plus j minus tan inverse of f plus x plus j minus 1. When you will simplify it, x plus j minus x minus j plus 1, this will 1 come, and 1 plus ab, that will come here. Okay, so this will be simplified as this. Okay, when you will put j, now we are taking the summation. Okay, at first we will put j as 1, so what we will get? Tan inverse x plus 1 minus tan inverse x plus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so tan inverse x only. When you will put j as 2, what you will get? Tan inverse x plus 2 minus tan inverse x plus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Similarly, you will put 3, 4 till n. At last, what we get? Tan inverse x plus n minus tan inverse x plus n minus 1. Okay, what you will see that these terms will be cancelling out. Okay, and this will be the last term cut out, and the whole summation will turn into tan inverse x plus n minus tan inverse x. Okay, so you can also simplify this using this formula only, that is tan inverse, I am writing here, tan inverse a minus b. What is a minus b? X plus n minus x by 1 plus x plus n into x. What you are getting? X will be cancelled, so tan inverse n by 1 plus nx plus x square. Okay, now this is the function we got, fnx. Okay, now what is the question asking? We have to take the tan of this, and as you know, taking tan both sides, this tan inverse will cancel out using this tan inverse of tan, and we will get the function as n by 1 plus nx plus x square, and we have to put the limit as x is tending to infinity. When you will see, n is a natural number, any positive natural number, so positive by 1 plus infinity square. Infinity square plus infinity is infinity only, so any natural number by infinity is 0. Okay, so what we are getting? We are getting this whole as 0, but what is the option given as 1 by n. So this is not equal to 0. So this is also false. Okay, straight away you can tick this one, but let's analyze once more. Okay, last option is saying that limit n tends to infinity, x tends to infinity, x tends to infinity, sec square of that. And you will think what you will do, just stay into your basics, 10th basics. What you know about sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so taking the limit both sides, you will take 1 plus tan square theta. You straight away know that this tan theta, what is the value coming after taking the limit? It is coming as 0. So you can straight away put this as 0. So what you are getting? 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 0, that is 1. So this option is correct. It's a very tricky question, very tricky. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Hare Krishna.